and also an opportunity. I will be recording our conversation for the sake of some of us who may not be opportune, or some people in this chat room who may not be opportune to join this meeting. And I want to welcome us all this evening. And while we are waiting for Mr. Peculiar to come in, of which he will be joining us any moment from now, I want to appreciate those of us who are very consistent and also following up with our updates and also information. The reason for this setting up this meeting is to educate us, like I said, generally on anything that has to do with trading. Yes. Why I'm saying this is because many of us have been hearing about trading, whether it be forex trading, crypto trading, stock exchange trading, and commodities. Some of us do not even know that you can actually trade crude oil. There are people who do not know that you can trade silver. So most of all of those commodities are traded, and people are making lots of money on the global financial space. And so, uh, those of you who are actually opportune to be here, count yourself privileged to be among those who are going to receive this information, because this kind of information, people pay to get this information, but yet most of you are receiving it for free. And so we are going to succeed together only if we are focused. And so I want us to be very open. You are free to ask your questions. You are free to air your views. Whatever it is that you do not understand, feel free to ask. Yes, the purpose for this meeting is for everyone to be able to comprehend and also understand uh, what trading is all about, and also get to know uh, a lot about the global financial market. And so, those of you who may not know, uh, people are making trillions of dollars, billions of dollars today. So, when we talk about trading, we are not only limiting it to maybe probably crypto trading, or limiting it to stock exchange trading, or limiting it to forex trading, or limiting it to commodities, crude oil. And so I have seen people who are making money trading on crude oil, and they don't know anybody from NNPC in Nigeria. And they do not even have any license to import or export crude oil. I have seen people who traded on commodities like gold, diamond, all on the financial market. And so when we are talking about trading, from the beginning, there are a lot of people. I think Mohammed J. Sensei is one of those who has placed a request to me multiple times. He is here wanting to know more about trading, whether it be crypto or forex or stocks trading, and also anything that has to do with trading. And I think I have several requests also from people from Liberia here, of which since 2021 we actually planned to host a training for Liberians. Our focus is to create wealth, is to be able to give everyone an equal opportunity, irrespective of your status, your financial level, or any other level where you are. And so, and I also want everyone, those of you who can write, you can bring your writing materials, jot down some of the things that our presenter is going to tell us. And so, I told us that anything that has to do with trading is what you are going to learn. So that some of you, by the time you start making those millions, I hope you will remember Mr. Incredible. And so I want to appreciate you all for coming on board. I think we already have 10 persons present. Others, as I'm sure other people will join us, perhaps in the process. And so, welcome once again. And I want to use this medium to appreciate Mr. Peculiar for his for his tireless effort. He is a very busy person that is very, very difficult to get his attention. But I appreciate the grace upon his life for honoring my invitation to train some of my people, because I want to be able to produce people who are going to become millionaires through these initiatives, through the Incredible Wealth Coin, through Mr. Incredible, and also through all of these initiatives that we are putting together in order to have an alternate financial solution by establishing uh, a hopeful future financially for ourselves. And so, thank you very much. That is that. I am not going to stay for too long. Without wasting much of our time, I would like to welcome Mr. Peculiar in the house. Sorry, he gave me a special name. Mr. Peculiar gave me a special name instead of the Executive Director IWC for Africa. He has given me a name, Crypto Africa. So those of you who may be hearing him say talk about Crypto Africa, you will be wondering, what is this man saying? He's referring to me directly. So that is the name that he has given me. And so without any hesitation, I want to use this medium to welcome Mr. Peculiar, who is a mentor of mentors. Thank you so much, sir, for coming on board tonight. I'm turning the floor over to you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so very much for this great opportunity to meet great minds. Hope you can all hear me. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, you are loud and clear, sir.
All right, all right, all right. Um, it's really an honor to be here. I was really closing up so many meetings to be able to make room for this meeting because I know Crypto Africa told me how important this meeting is. The other day we had our meeting on Zoom. I didn't know so many people were not used to Zoom. So he had to draw my attention to it. So I decided, okay, it's better for us to host the meeting in a platform where everybody is comfortable, so that at least we'll be able to relate easily. First of all, um, I want to commend you all for taking out time to want to listen to a little talk on how you can increase your earning through the financial market. Now, just like I started the other day, a lot of people just know about crypto trading, but they don't know that there is more to trading than just crypto. And when you talk about the financial market is very huge. And what we are doing right now is we're trying to educate people to be able to take advantage of the financial market because it is a very, very huge well of wealth. But it is only a few people that are aware of how to maximize the potential of this great market to make money. And we say just like we say, the sky is wide and only few are flying over there. The ground, the earth is occupied with a lot of people because only few people can fly. So there is less congestion up there, and then there is more congestion down here. So that's how it is. The people that are making money from the financial market are very, very few compared to the people that need to be there. And the market has a very huge potential. So we need to make you know the potential so that you take advantage of this to make money. So the financial market is it's what you are already in. Those of you who are aware of cryptocurrency, cryptocurrency is part of what we trade in the financial market. For example, let me just give you a list of some of the things that a brief market summary of some of the things that are being traded in the financial market. We have indices. Some of these indices are S&P 500, some of them are Nasdaq, some of them are Nikkei. You'll be hearing how they are mentioning them. Some of you will be listening to news and you'll be hearing they are mentioning S&P 500, they are mentioning Nasdaq, they are mentioning Dow Jones, they are mentioning many of them. Those are indices that are being traded in the financial market. These are instruments that you can invest your money also, just as you invest your money in cryptocurrency. Then apart from indices, we have the stocks. For example, Apple, Amazon, we have Google, we have Facebook, we have Tesla, we have Microsoft, we have JP Morgan, Chase, we have Walmart. Let me tell you, this is endless. The list is endless. These are lists of stocks that you can also invest your money. And then we have the cryptos. Under the cryptos, we have the Bitcoin, we have Ethereum. You know them, you know cryptos more. And then we have the IWC, is also part of the cryptos that you're trading. These are things you can invest. Then we have the forex. Most of you have heard of forex. The forex is the one that a lot of people are scared of because they think that you cannot make money from forex trading. But just as you are trading crypto, that's how you trade forex. And there is huge potential in forex because we have so many currency pairs that are paired together. We have the Euro USD, we have the USD Japanese yen, we have the GBP USD. We have so many currency pairs. And then we have the futures. Futures are also things you can trade on. Then we have the bond. All these things are in the financial market. Now, let me tell you the advantage of spreading your investment around these instruments in the financial market. The advantage is such that as you are waiting for one, as one is trending, usually that's how the market is. As one is trending, one is ranging, and then one is pulling back. These are terms that are used in trading. The time that you are waiting for one to finish pulling back, another one is trending. And all of these instruments, they are in the financial market. So you need to have a knowledge of all these things so that you will know how to take advantage of them and make money. And let me tell you something. Most of you are in some of these. Most of you are in Africa. Most of you here are Africans because I can see the from here. Some of you are from Nigeria. Some are from Liberia. And if you are in Africa and you don't have an investment that pays you in dollars, then you are living in the Stone Age. This statement I just made now can be offensive to some people. But if you spread your investment, if you look at inflation, the way inflation is going up, for example, for those of us who are in Nigeria right now, the fuel price hike has caused a lot of inflation. People cannot go to the market with small amount of money and come out again the way they used to. 100,000 naira cannot buy you what 100,000 naira could buy you some months ago. But if you are earning in dollars, right now per dollar to naira is 920. So if you are earning in dollar, you will not really feel the economic pain. But the problem with people is people analyze too much and they are scared to take risk. Anywhere I go, I tell people it is more costly not to take risk. The biggest risk on earth is not to even take risk. So that is why that is the difference between rich people and then the poor people. The rich people have a very huge risk appetite. They can take risks. But poor people analyze too much. They don't trust at all. They are scared. It is good for you to always check before you go in. But when you are too critical, most of the time, it stops you from making it. So we are here to tell you that the financial market has huge potential. If you dwell only on crypto, you are dwelling like it's just 1%, 1% out of 1/10, 1/10 of the market. But we want you to learn how to spread your investment. So, for example, let me talk to those who have been interested in forex trading. Crypto Africa told me that there were so many of you who have been asking you want to learn how to trade forex. Now, let me tell you something about forex trading. And this I'm going to say to you applies even to crypto trading, because those of you who have invested in crypto, you are relying on a third party to give you entry points. Whether you believe me or not, that is what is happening to you. Because you will have to wait for a particular price to hit before you enter. If you have a professional guiding you on when to enter a trade, then you are going to make more profit. And a lot of people are not having access to those professionals that will guide them. You see, in forex trading, before you will need to learn how to trade forex for some time, practice for over 6 months before you invest money into it. And then when you invest money, you start making mistakes before you now perfect it. So for you to master forex trading very well, it will take you an average of 2 to 3 years before you call yourself a professional or a stable earner in the forex market, because it takes a lot to know how to trade it. In forex trading, we have what we call the fundamental analysis. The fundamental analysis is when they will introduce you to the currency pairs. Then we will now introduce you to the charts. We'll introduce you to how um, the price action works, and then how you take advantage of the price action to be able to take a trade and then to make profit. Then we also have the fundamental analysis. The fundamental analysis, no, sorry, I talked about the technical analysis first. Technical analysis was the one I was talking about, where we introduce you to the chart, we introduce you to the currency pairs, then we'll introduce you to the price action, where you will enter a trade and where you will exit a trade. Now you will have to go through all those trainings for you to be able to be proficient in technical analysis. Then you also have to combine your technical analysis with fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is when you take advantage of the economic situations of the world, the happenings of the world. There are different interest rate decisions that have been taken in different currency in different parts of the world. We have the CPI news, for example, like the consumer price index. That one you have to learn how to take advantage of news like that to make money. We have the news that usually come up. They call it non-farm payroll (NFP). It comes out every first Friday of the month. It's also part of fundamental analysis. Those things you have to keep tabs on those things. Then we also have what they call the FOMC. FOMC is Federal Open Market Committee. They decide on the interest rates of different currency pairs for different nations. Now you will have to learn, they will have to train you on how to take advantage of fundamental analysis, how to take advantage of this news to make money. Then, apart from the fundamental analysis, we have what we call sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is when the market, let me tell you the secret of the market. This is the hard truth. And anywhere I train people, I tell them this secret. The market is not designed to give you money. The market is designed to take money from you. It's designed to take money from you. So there are different tricks that some of these brokers use to deceive people, to work on their emotions, and then make money. So you need to go through a training. We call it sentiment analysis training. where they take advantage, how these brokers take advantage of the emotions of the people to drive price action. So I talked about technical analysis, I talked about fundamental analysis, and then I talked about sentiment analysis. So these three things, you have to be trained on these things and how to take advantage of them to make money. Now, the way it is applied in forex trading is also the same way it is applied in crypto trading, the same way it is applied in indices, the same way it is applied in stocks, the same way it is applied in futures, the same way it is applied in bonds. And all of these things, they are in the financial market. So this is what this meeting is all about. Now, let me tell you the advantage and the catch of this meeting. Instead of you to go through the training of fundamental analysis, technical analysis, sentiment analysis, and how to put them together to start studying some of these currency pairs and some of these crypto instruments and how to take advantage of them and make money, you have the privilege now to join a signal group that has simplified these things for you. And that is why cryptocurrency and Crypto Africa organized this meeting. So that you will know that, okay, you don't need to go through all this stress of all this grammar, all these things that I'm talking, because when we start the training now, some of you begin to crack your brain, be wondering, how long will it take me to learn this thing, practice it, master it, and then I'll start making money. Now you don't need to go through all those stress. It has been simplified for you. You will now subscribe to a signal group where they will be giving you entry points. The analysis has been done for you. Everything has been done for you. Since your own is to make money, you will start making money immediately without going through the stress of waiting for how many years before you start making. As I'm talking to you now, it is something that you can register now. Now, let me tell you how it works. Before, some people will give people their money to trade for them. Maybe you want a forex trader to trade for you. You will now give him your money. The forex trader will now promise you a certain percentage per month. Now we have simplified that. You will not give anybody your money. You will open an account with a broker directly. This is what this training is all about. We'll open when you are interested and when you are ready, we'll open an account for you with a broker as if you are a trader that will trade money. Just as you have an account, a crypto account. That's how it is. Now, in forex trading, it is called some of these exchanges we call exchanges in crypto. The similar terminology in forex is called brokers. All of them, they are brokers. So you now open an account with a broker in your name, the way you have an account with your bank. You have control of your money. You deposit money with the broker. You have control of your money. Anytime you want to make deposit, you make deposit. Anytime you want to make withdrawal, you make withdrawal. Unlike before that, you now give somebody your money. No, you have control of your money now. And then they will be sending you signals. You'll be subscribing to these signals, and you'll be making money from those signals. The signals carry only two things: entry points. You have your take profit, and then you have your stop loss, and then you have your instrument that you are trading. For example, the way it's applied in cryptocurrency, you are trading the IWC now. You have joined a particular exchange with the incredible wealth coin. So when you are trading that one, as it's rising, you are making money. Likewise, in forex trading, you open an account with a broker. But in this case now, you have so many currency pairs, over 28 currency pairs, that you don't have to, if one is not rising, one might be rising. If one is ranging, one might be trending. If one is pulling back, one is trending. So you can decide at each point to which one you are going to trade. So in the forex, you have vast variety of currency pairs that you make money from. And this is the knowledge that a lot of people do not have. And that is why you'll be sitting down in one place and you're waiting for one. When you have a lot that you can be doing as you are waiting for the other one to ripe. So before I round up, let me give you an example of what is happening in Nigeria. For example, because I'm in Nigeria, I understand the economy of Nigeria very well. So I can give you an example. For you to invest, I don't know if there are bankers among some of you that are listening to me now, but for you to invest money with a bank, maybe if you put your money in fixed deposit in a bank per annum now, they don't pay you more than 6%, whether treasury bills or fixed deposit. Ask any banker, they will tell you. Meaning, if you invest 1 million naira in a bank, after 12 months, all you are going to get is, let's say, 60,000 naira. That's what the bank will give you. 60,000 naira. It's not even up to 100,000 naira. Whether treasury bills or fixed deposit. So people are beginning to get tired of. People don't even know where to invest their money again to make money. But you see, with Forex, ask those who have participated. As I'm talking to you now, there are some that are here. You can talk to Crypto Africa and he can assure you. When he subscribed to this Signal group, he made, in less than 2 months, he made over 100% of his capital, of his investment. This is the possibility. This is the potential. A lot of people don't know. And so many people are their monies are just lying down their waist. So I see someone is raising hands. I'm going to pause here and allow you to ask questions. Now, Mr. Incredible, is over to you. Now you can begin to permit people to ask questions. When you're going to ask your question, you unmute your mic, you ask your question, mute your mic, then I'm going to answer you.
All right. Thank you so much
Thank you.
for the introduction and also shedding more light. Yes, Madam Favor Udoka, you can unmute your mic and come in very quickly. Let me take you first before I comment.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
I have a question. The question is, what is the name of like the Signal group, and where is it going to be in? Like, is it in WhatsApp, Telegram?
Okay. Thank you so
That's
much.
my question.
All right. Yes, he will respond to your question. Okay, Okay, I think we'll attend to the questions one after the other. Yes, so, sir, you can shed more light, even though I know where the signal group is.
Yes. All right. The Signal group is on. If you are subscribing to a Signal group, you'll be joined to you'll be connected to it's on WhatsApp for now. But after some time, we're going to migrate because as the Signal group is growing, we're building it we're moving into Instagram. There are some that are already on Instagram, but basically for people from this side, we are joining them on the WhatsApp group. It's just on
Oh,
WhatsApp. Anywhere you are, you just be receiving the signals on the WhatsApp group.
all right. Thank you so much. Yes, unmute your mic again.
So, how much is the subscription?
Yes, subscription fee is $50 per month. But your investment it depends on you, on the size of the investment you want. If you want to start your investment with $500, you can start with $500. If you want to start with $1,000, you can start. Depending on the money you have, whatever amount you have, you want to start with the brokers. But the least you can open an account with the brokers is $100. The least you can open is $100. When you are ready to open an account, Mr. Incredible is going to guide you on that. He's going to send you the link and he's going to show you how to open an account and how to connect your account to the brokers and how you can wire your money into the brokerage account. And then immediately you have an account with the broker. Until you have an account with a broker, you cannot join the Signal group. Once you open an account with a broker, You invest your money. We are going to we are going to guide you. Once you open an account to a broker, you invest your money in it, then and only then you can now subscribe for a signal. Because it is when you have an account to a broker that you are ready to start trading.
All right. So I believe that question has been answered. I had wanted to comment because I allowed him to say a lot so that we can all understand. The reason for establishing this is so that most of us who have been asking me, I want to learn how to trade. I want to trade this. I want to trade that. And so, for the first time, when I went into this trading aspect, I discovered that people are trading different things apart from cryptocurrency, apart from stock exchange trading, bonds, just like what he said. People also trade crude oil. And so, those of us who want to learn who want to start trading, perhaps we are going to come up with the practical aspect of how you can trade on our exchange as soon prior to the exchange opening. And so, but based on so many requests from different people regarding wanting to learn how to trade or wanting to even start trading right away, is one of the reasons why I have decided to put this together so that we can be able to take advantage of that. And so, just a quick one before any other person can come in. Yes, like he said, he has said a lot, but many of you, some of you, let me just use that terms. Most of you never knew anything about trading. And so we are all coming from the crypto background, but the aspect of trading is large and it covers so many areas. And so I remember when we actually did some trainings in Yola, I think several times, because of the consistent requests. While we were on the ICO, people were asking me, we want to learn how to trade. Can you teach us also how to trade? I told them as a then, I don't know how to trade, but I know someone who can and also who can teach. I think we have done multiple presentations and also programs in the Yola region. And I think we have one of our subscriber also here, Mr. Abutu, who is actually part of this signal group. And so let it not be as if I am trying to lure us into something else. This is totally a request that most of you have given me that you want to learn. Remember that we are also going to be able to practicalize the incredible exchange tools and how you can utilize those tools to trade on the incredible exchange. Now, this does not also cover the peer-to-peer trading. When it comes to the aspect of the peer-to-peer trading on our exchange, it's quite different. And so on the peer-to-peer aspect, I'm going to handle that on the incredible exchange. But when it comes to the issue of getting to know the technicalities on trading, if you are trading cryptocurrency, you are going to trade with your coins, and your coins is also your asset, which is money. Just like what he was saying, you can trade. Okay, yes, let me take Mr. Smo from Liberia before I proceed. Yes, you can unmute your mic, sir. Yes, Mr. Smo Moluba, if you can hear me from Liberia, you can unmute your mic and come in very quickly. You are raising up your hands. All right, maybe if you are able to unmute your mic thereafter, then I will let you in. And so it looks like the connectivity is somehow bad. The network is bad in some locations, and some of us are struggling with the internet. Yes, yes, you can unmute
Can
your
you hear
mic,
me?
Mr. Smo.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. If I deposit, I should do what?
Yes, you can go ahead. We can hear you now.
Okay. Yes, I was saying, if I deposit, if I eventually invest or deposit or whatever amount that I have, is it possible that from my earning, can I double up my earning if I want to? What I mean is that if I deposit maybe $200 and within a week I'm able to
Mm.
get $220, is it possible to increase my capital to that 220? If it is possible, what is the duration? Is it one day? Can it be done in one day, 2 days, or in one time? That's the first question. My second question is, if I want to also introduce, is it like other trading platform where when you bring a referral, you have a commission? If I should bring somebody on board, is there a commission for me or what? Thank you.
All right, Mr. Sumo, you ask a very, very intelligent question. I was actually waiting for someone to ask this question. All right, let me tell you how it works. If you deposit money, you can always increase your money. Anytime you want to increase your investment, you can always increase your investment. And the period does not is within 1 to 2 business days. Most of the time, within 4 hours, your account is credited. It depends on the broker you're opening. If you are going to go with the brokers that we are giving you, then within that day you are depositing your money is going to be credited, your account is going to be credited. All the through the period, the longest time it can last is 2 business days before the money hit your account, just like any other business. And then the second question you ask about referral. Let me tell you how it works. If you introduce someone into the signal group, 10% of the what do we call it, 10% of the subscription fee of that person every month is a residual income to you. For example, you have opened an account with us, you are working with us, and so you are trading with us, you are taking signals from us, and you are growing your account. Now, as you are growing your account, you see the dividend of it. You now decided, okay, you have some people you want to introduce. Now, when you introduce that person, subscription fee is $50 every month. As long as those people are paying $50 every month, 10% of their subscription fee is going to be going to your account. That's how it works. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Do you understand? And then listen, before you go, if you are able, that one is I wanted to leave that one for Crypto Africa to answer you and to tell you. But if as an individual you are able to introduce up to 50 people that are taking signals for up to 10 months, then you will qualify for a foreign trip.
Wow.
Apart from the 10% that you are getting from their subscription fee every month. That's how it is arranged. And Crypto Africa is going to explain to you more how the ranking is done. And then you would see that it's a profitable venture that gives you. Now listen, it's not like affiliate marketing. It's likened to affiliate marketing, but affiliate marketing, you only make money if you introduce people. This one is an investment scheme. You make money from your investment, and then you also make money when you introduce somebody into the investment. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I got it clear. Thank
And
you
all
so
this,
much.
you all this
Hmm.
thing, all this is with your hand, with your phone, with your smartphone. With your smartphone, you don't need a laptop, just your smartphone. You're making your money.
Uh, that's good.
I hope I have answered your question.
You have answered well, sir. Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you so much
You're
for
welcome.
shedding more light. I think I have Mr. Nnamanu from Burkina Faso. You can unmute your mic, sir. I can see you are raising up your hands.
Okay, good evening, house. My name is Tochuku Namono Francis. Um, joining from Burkina Faso, like our boss has said. And my question goes like this. Uh, I have seen a lot of, will I say, brokers or a lot of signals being given. So, boss, my question, I don't know. My question is it 100% possible that all the signals that are being given are going to go are going to be are going to go right? Because I do see many traders that sometimes their
Sometimes
their
people
stake on
lose,
market.
sometimes people gain.
Yeah, yeah, so,
Please,
Eh.
I can't
sometimes
hear
people
you. It's
lose.
breaking. Your line is
Okay, it's
breaking.
beating. Oh, sorry, maybe it's network. I'm saying that
It's breaking.
is
I
it
can't hear
possible
you.
that
Yes.
okay, okay, okay. I will try my possible best to see if I'm saying if is very is it possible that because I do see many people that lose and gain also, and these people are like top traders in forest. So like this signal you are talking about, is it that like 100% or maybe the loss is like maybe let me say 30%, then the gaining let me say like 70 or 80%. So that's my question. And my second question goes like this: uh, can someone get a mentor, like a mentor, uh, on the issue of forest, like someone to get a mentor? So that's my second question. Thank you very much.
I don't know,
Okay.
sir. Have you heard the question clearly?
Yeah, but the first question, I think I could pick it. He was talking about
He
the
was talking about the signals.
winning rates percentage
Yes,
of.
yes.
Yes, he's talking about the winning rates and loss. He was talking about winning and loss. You see, ba, let me tell you, Mr. Tochuku, forex trading is like, I want you to unmute your mic so that as I'm talking, you can be responding to me in case.
Okay.
I'll need that. I'll need you to. You see, forex trading. You are your name sounds like you are you're an Igbo man. And Igbo people are very good with business. Igbo people are very good with business. Now, let me explain to you. Forex trading is like any other business that you're used to.
Sure.
There are times that you see the market is very volatile, and there are times that the market is slow. Do you understand?
Yeah.
If you are selling spare parts in the market, there are times that the spare parts business will be if you have customers, it will be moving. There are times that it will not move. Forex trading is like any other market. It's just that it's huge and it's big. So our signal, the accuracy of our signal is such that it's even above 80%. It's not even 70% that you're talking about. Because you
Okay.
wanted to know the percentage win.
Yeah, yeah.
There are people that are listening to me here that are already they are already making money from it. I'm not telling you that you cannot. There are signals that may not give you losses. There are signals that can go into loss because there
Sure,
is
sure. That's the
nobody that
only
will tell that it's
thing I
100%
wanted.
perfect.
Yes, yes, yes.
But our own is even we are above 80%. If it is that one, just forget about it. It's above
Okay,
80%.
no, okay,
That's
no
why Crypto
problem.
Africa is even bringing is trying to introduce you guys to this.
No
Mm.
problem. No problem.
And then the other thing you are talking about a mentor. If you want a mentor, you talk to Crypto Africa. He can hook you up with a mentor. I'm here for
Okay,
you
okay,
anytime you want to talk about
okay, no,
forex
okay,
trading. I'm
no
always
problem.
here. I've been
Okay,
doing
no
trainings for people all over the world. I train people all around the world. If you want Zoom
problem.
training, we train you. Even on Zoom, we do one-on-one training. If you want to organize a large number of people in a particular place and you know they register, if we have from 100 and above or 50 and above people that register very well, and we can always come over and train you live there. You can ask your questions and all that. We do that a lot.
Okay,
And for
okay,
the signal group that we're doing, yes, if you grow in it and you want to see how you want to grow in the signal group, you can on your own. You can arrange for people you want to talk to, like you want to do seminar for people on the signal group. Talk to
yeah,
people and then you teach them. Once you are already you're already in it and you're proficient in it, you
Yes.
can talk to a few people that you want to bring under you, and then like that, you grow your investment. You make money both on your investment, and you make money even from referrals. That's how it works.
Okay. 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 I'm in the signal stuff.
All
I'm
right.
in
Any
already.
other question? I see.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Yes, Madam Favor, you can
Okay. If you
unmute your
still have
mic.
question, you can raise your hands. I have time. Please unmute your mic and ask your question.
Madam Favor, you can unmute
Okay,
your mic.
can you hear me?
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Okay, okay. Now I want to start. Like I want to start. So now, what you are telling me, I want to get this straight. What you are telling me is that if I want to start, I meet
Hello.
Mr. Incredible. Can you hear me?
Yes, go ahead. I can hear you.
I can hear
Can you
you
hear
now.
me now?
Yes, go
I'm saying
ahead.
that okay. I want to start now. So what I tell you that if I want to start, I meet Mr. Incredible. I first subscribe
Yes.
for the group, for the signal group. Then after that,
No, no, no. Listen,
oh,
listen. Let me tell you the order. Meet Mr. Incredible. When you are ready, he's going to give you a link. The link to the broker you will open an account with. If you want to open an account with a broker, first of all, you need to get passports. For example, ID cards. Let's say two valid ID cards. If you're in Nigeria, you need two valid ID cards, maybe a driver's license and one other one, maybe national ID card or international passport or voter's card. Those ones are valid. So they need just two ID cards. Those ID cards, you are going to scan them. Now, before, what they do is you will have to go to a court and get a certified true copy of your ID cards before they will even open an account for you. That's the brokers. But because we are already working with them, we are introducing a lot of people into the system. They have allowed us to just you will just scan your passport. When you scan your passport, then you upload it directly. Now they will take it. Some of the people that have registered with us recently, some of the people that have opened accounts that we guided them because they are coming through our referral link, they did not disturb them about going to the court and take a stamp again because we have spoken with them and they have allowed us to do that. So you get if you are ready to open an account, you get meet Mr. Incredible. He's going to send you the link directly to your account to your through your WhatsApp, and then he will guide you on how to open the account. Once you open the account, you will deposit money into the account. Once you deposit money into the account and the money is in your account, then you will now subscribe for the signal. You can only subscribe for signal if you have a brokerage account. That's how it works. I hope I
okay,
answered
okay.
your
Let's
question.
say so that's what I want to say now. Okay, so let's say that it's my mom that is doing all these things. So she get her two identification card. She subscribes for the both for both the brokers account and also for the signal group. So now the next thing
Yeah.
you are trying to tell me now is just for me to just be entering into just be investing my money into a coin, and then and then the and then the signal group will be telling me when to take profit, right?
Listen, the signal group will send you the coin or the currency pair that you will take order, and then they will send you both the coin or the currency pair, and then they will send you the entry point and exit point at the same time. You all you do after you subscribe, all you need to do is to just make sure you are active on WhatsApp to wait for when signal is going to come. Once signal comes in, you take your signal, and then you wait for when the profit is going to reach, and then you take profit. As easy as that. The only stressful thing there is opening account with the broker. Once the broker approves your account, then you are happy, you are good to go. But if you have problem with your identity or one name is not the same with the other, because they don't encourage money laundering, so they don't like fraudulent people. So they might be bouncing your account. If your identity cards they don't have the same name, they will not give you that account. So
Okay.
the name on your two identity cards and the name in your bank should tally. Then they will
Okay.
approve your account.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So if I want to do that after the meeting, I should just meet Mr. Incredible.
All right. I think
After this meeting, anyone
I
that
will
is
come in
interested,
now.
just talk to Mr. Incredible. He's going to guide you all through.
All right.
Okay.
You
Let
don't
Okay.
me
have
just
Thank you.
stress.
add
Yeah.
a little bit from what Madam Udoka, because I'm sure she's asking those questions to her son. She's one of the very active IWC users. And some of you, there are people, I'm not seeing Reverend, what is his name, even from Delta State, because he once engaged me into a conversation that what other means while the migration is going on, that the country is getting difficult, he wants to be making money. What other means can he use to make money while he's waiting for the IWC exchange? And so, and apart from him, I think I received multiple requests from other people requesting the same. And so, we might be talking about forex and also other aspects. Reason being is because our crypto trading platform has not yet opened. But even after, as we speak right now, if you have a Bitcoin account or a Binance account and you want to trade directly, you can still take signals for crypto. Mr. Peculiar gives signals for cryptocurrency traders, for forex traders, for people who are trading gold, silver. You can also trade different things depending on the capital that you have. And so, but strictly, I put up this particular forum to train us about the crypto exchange. But for the purpose of those who have been sending me requests, we want to start something. We want to start trading on other platforms before our exchange opens. This is one of why you hear him talk about the Signal group. And let me just say something about that Signal group. I'm already part of that Signal group, and just to let you know, I once traded on forex. I think sometimes back in 2019, before I started learning how to trade on crypto, before I returned back to forex. As at then, I saw a beautiful advert on YouTube. And so I click on the link and I sign up with that broker. And I put some money there. I started trading. In the before 72 hours, I lost $200 trading, because first, when I was trading a demo account, I was making money. I was seeing more money coming in. Everything is going on positive. And so when I start a live account, it begins to go negative. It begins to go against me. And before you know it, I lost money. So just like most of you will be thinking, I actually thought that Forex is a scam. Just like the way I actually took crypto trading as a scam because I lost $200. That was as at then in 2019. So until I began to go critically into getting to know more about crypto. So it's not just about you seeing a chart going up and then you buy, or seeing a chart coming down and then you sell. And so for those of us who will be joining the Signal group chat, I'm going to arrange another video meeting, sorry, wherein I will take us through the same broker, wherein you are going to be taking orders for those of us who are interested and want to become part of the Signal group on that Forex. So if you are waiting for crypto, remember we just started, so you don't have any need to join. But those who want to join the Forex trading to start making money by taking signals, you can indicate by raising up your hand. Nobody will deprive you of that opportunity. You are going to be given that same opportunity to start trading right now and also learn how to trade on that Forex platform even before our exchange opens. And I also like what Mr. Peculiar said. Uh, while you are waiting for the IWC exchange to start trading. We have some of one of our IWC subscriber who I'm going to give a little bit of time to also tell us his experience. But personally, I started with $100 to try the signal group because there are multiple signal groups out there advertising on Facebook. Some of them, as soon as you invest money, before you know, your money is gone. Some of their signals are just nonsense. But this particular one, and why I brought in Mr. Peculiar to give us this orientation, is because I have tried it. I started with $100 to just test the signal group chart. In less than 2 weeks, I actually made up to $300 because I combined my crypto trading skills with what the kind of signals that he has already been given, and also some secrets that he will reveal to us regarding trading. So, within a month, if you are investing, if you are starting up with $100, though the more your capital, the more your profit. So if you have a bigger account, you make bigger profit, and also you take huge lot size. I'm going to talk about those aspects. For those of us who want to subscribe right now, remember we are just starting. As we progress in this meeting, we are going to be unveiling so many things about crypto, about forex, and every other aspect. So that's just a little bit summary of what I had wanted to summarize. Yes, Madam Favor, you are still raising up your hand. You can unmute your mic. Madam Favor, you can unmute your mic if you can hear me. I'm seeing your hands raised up. All right. It looks like okay.
Okay,
Yes, go on.
so um I also have my mom also deals in Binance. She also has Binance. I don't know if she also needs a broker for Binance too when it comes to cryptocurrency. Or
Okay.
can't she not just subscribe to the signal group and tell her when to trade in crypto, the particular coin to trade in, and when to take profits? Because she also deals in cryptocurrency too.
Yes. Thank you so much. I think she actually placed a request to me some times ago. I think that was last year. She was telling me that she's one of those who told me that she wanted to learn how to trade also. I don't know if she can remember, but I think she told me something like that. I don't know if it's this year or last year, especially on that Binance. Binance is an exchange, just like IWC. You can take spot trading on Binance. You can also embark on peer to peer trading on Binance. And then you can do also a lot more on Binance. Now, on the Forex trading broker section, you can trade both crypto and currencies. So, what some of us do not know, when it comes to forex trading, you are dealing with direct fiat system money. Even though crypto is added to their charts, they have a lot of instruments more than Binance. Binance has limited instrument and also trading instruments, but that of the forex broker, which is the Alfari International, but you cannot join without someone giving you a link. So that is why, if you want to join, I will have to give you the link that you can register. Otherwise, so many people are going to make mistake and register with the wrong brokers. And so right now, Binance, Bitcoin, KuCoin, and Ethereum, and then Solana exchanges. All of these exchanges, and even SuperX exchange, they have trading instrument, but they have limited trading instruments. And so the other why I people can trade on Alfari International, which comprises of forex trading, crypto trading, stock exchange trading. You can trade gold, you can trade crude oil, you can trade silver, you can trade several commodities on that particular ground. And so These are some of the aspects. But if you want to trade on Binance, it depends on what kind of trading. If she's embarking on P2P trading, peer-to-peer trading, then P2P trading does not require a signal. On the peer-to-peer section on Binance, if you want to trade, you can trade Naira, you can trade US dollar, you can trade Ghana CD, you can trade our local and international currencies on Ghana. The instrument on the Binance exchange and that of IWC exchange and that of Alfari International are quite different instruments. They are not the same instrument.
Okay.
Yes. So I'm sure you understand
Okay.
the
So your
explanation.
yes. So your recommendation is forex, right?
My what?
So what you recommend is forex, right?
Now, I'm recommending this because you can do everything in one place. Are you getting what I'm saying? You can unmute your mic. I'm coming to you, Mr. God's power. Now, I'm not saying that you cannot trade on Binance. I trade Binance. I trade on Binance. Whatever amount I can decide. Binance trading is quite different from this other trading. And so the reason is because on the Alfari broker section, you have a lot of instrument, unlimited instruments, and also unlimited commodities and currency pairs compared to that of a crypto exchange. So that is one of the things I wanted you to get more clarity upon. And so on the forex side you can trade everything, but on the Binance exchange is only limited to cryptocurrency. You cannot trade any other commodity, and so it's as simple as that. Yes, Mr. God's power, you are raising up your
Okay,
hand.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
Good evening, Mr. Credible. Good
Yes,
evening, fellow investors in the house. I wanted to ask the name of the broker, but I just heard you call the name Alfari Broker. Am I right?
yes, Alfari International.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
there are different brokers you can decide to trade with. Any broker you want. But the one we're using now is Alpari.
Okay. So it means to actually trade with this Alfari broker, I will need to download the application on Google Play Store, and then I think
No,
that will
no,
be the start.
you're not downloading the application. You will open an account with them. They will send you a link. There is a link that will be sent to you. It's not an
Okay.
application. It's just a link directly into their website that will link you to a trading server. So they don't do
Okay.
applications. They don't do applications. It is only third parties that have applications like people that are doing. For example, there is this broker that is called in Nigeria. There is this broker that is very popular in Nigeria.
Octa FX, right?
What's the name? They do a lot of Octa FX.
Yes.
Now, Octa FX is just a new brokerage company. It's not even. It's not. They've not traded up to 10 years yet. Maybe 10 years, but they are a bit new in the business. But Octa FX offer what we call copy trading,
Mm.
and then they have a copy trading app. Those ones you can install on your phones. Now, these other big brokers, they don't have any app that you install on your phone. They do copy trading too, but you have to go through their website. They don't have any app that you install on your phone. So this one that we're introducing to you to does not have any app. They will give you a link. The link will take you straight to their website, and then you will register there. Just like you open an account with most of these banks. That's how it works. Mr. God's power. Are you a Nigerian?
You can unmute your
Yes,
mic, Mr.
I'm a
God's power.
Nigerian. Yeah, I'm
Okay,
a
okay,
Nigerian,
okay.
and I been here in Nigeria. Very state to be precise.
Hello?
Yeah. I said I'm in
I
Nigeria.
couldn't. I couldn't. Okay, it's
Okay,
like you're not very clear. The mic is like it's too close
okay.
to your mouth, so we couldn't pick your words very
I
well.
said I'm a
I can hear
Nigerian.
you.
I based here in Nigeria, and of course I based precisely in Yobe State.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
All right.
I hope we're able to answer your question.
Yes, very clear, very clear.
All
I
right.
have
All right.
insight on how um, forex trading is carried out. It is completely different from buying cryptocurrency. In forex trading,
Yeah,
you trade other, you do more of pairing and you trade other commodities beside cryptocurrencies.
Yes.
absolutely. You have advantage to do a lot of things with your money. It's a very, very it's a big world of currencies. You are swimming in a wall of you don't you cannot exhaust it. The opportunities are too much. You can't exhaust it. That's how it works. And a lot of people know so little about it. That's the pain. That's the pain I feel whenever I go around training people. A lot of people don't know about this. And it's like you are living in a dark world and there is nobody to bring you out of it. So that's what we are trying to do. We want to sensitize people, want to get people to know more of this so that we'll reduce the level of poverty. You see some of these people in most of these western countries, they have gone far. That is why they can afford. You see them going for holidays, traveling all over the world, going for holidays. Because in the comfort of their houses, they are working and they are making millions. And our people over here in Africa do not really understand. They don't really know these things. They believe you have to leave your house, you have to go somewhere. And one day, once like during the corona period, a lot of people could not make money. They couldn't make money because they thought they were already used to this mentality of I have to leave my house, go to an office, and all that. But there was lockdown now. But during that lockdown, a lot of people were making money in their homes. You really need to know this. You really need to disabuse your minds from any form of mediocrity that is stopping you from opening your, because people are scared to take risk. That is the problem. And right now, as you are here, we want to encourage you to increase your risk appetite because you cannot make it in life if you don't know how to take risk. Look at Bill Gates, all these people. If they tell you how much they are losing on a daily basis, you'll be scared. But we only know how much they are making. We are interested in their glory, but we don't want to know their process. That is the problem with Africans. Africans are scared of process. They get so excited when you tell them, you make money, but they don't want to go through the process. And what we are talking about here is the process. The process may not be easy, but if you follow it, if you can follow it, and then you make your money. So this is a very good opportunity that is welcomed. I advise you people to take advantage of it. And procrastination is something that kills us also. You are sitting down, you are over assessing, over analyzing, and it will make you to delay, and it will just be going to opportunities are just passing you by. A lot of people don't even invest money. A lot of people just spend money. Once they get money, they just spend it. They have the money to invest, but they are just spending it. So let us cultivate the attitude of investment. Over time, as you keep investing your money, you're multiplying it. You train people around you to do the same. You become an influence, you become an impact maker. Because you see that you're not only influencing me. Okay, like this one has given you a provision to even make referrals and make money. This referral is a way of making impact. Imagine the number of people that are around you that don't even know where to invest money. Do you know there are so many people that have money, they don't know where to invest it? No idea, zero idea, know where to invest. So if you can just go tell them, okay, there is an opportunity. Oh, this is how it works. You invest, so you open an account with a broker, you invest your money, and then you subscribe to a signal group, and then they'll be sending you a signal, and then you'll be taking trades, and then you multiply your account over time, you make money. That person will never forget you. If you are just like people that are looking for job opportunity, don't know where to work. Now you have given somebody job opportunity. Instead of giving them money, you have taught them how to fish. So this is a very lucrative opportunity, and I advise you to take advantage of it. It's going to help you. We are here to answer questions anytime. By the time you open an account with your broker, as you're opening the account, you will see that it's not only Crypto Africa that is attending to you. There are different people that are attending to you, guiding you on how to open an account. When you join the Signal group, you can always ask questions in the Signal group. They will answer you. It's like you are in a mentorship class. You are in a mentorship class. You will learn patience on how to sow a seed and wait for the seed to germinate and bear fruit. It's just like agriculture. You invest your money, you sow a seed. Before you sow a seed, you have to cultivate the land. Then you sow the seed. You go through the pain of weeding. You go through the pain of waiting until the seeds germinate. You fertilize it. You allow it to go through the process of watering, different season. Then you wait for the harvest period. Then you harvest and you begin to make money. So a lot of people will only see you in the time of harvest, and they are interested in how you make. They don't know that you all this thing had to go through a lot of processes. So that's how it works. That's how this one works too. I don't know if we have another question.
All right, thank you so much. Mr. Hosea, you are raising up your hands, if I am not mistaken. What is your question or concern? Unmute your mic very quickly so that we want to exhaust all the questions before uh, I can come in to wrap up the meeting, because we've already gone 1 hour 11 minutes.
Yeah,
Yes.
good evening, sir.
Yes, good evening.
Good evening. Good evening,
Yeah,
Mr.
I want
Hosea.
to I want to commend my boss, the executive director, and our guests, Mr. Peculiar, for the wonderful presentation. I just want to know what's the minimum amount to invest in the forex. That's just the question.
Okay, Mr. Hosea, that's a very good question. I actually said it earlier on that when we introduce you to a broker, you would deposit a minimum of $100 with the broker to start.
Which is equivalent to how
But
much in our local
once
currency?
when you join the okay, Mr. Hosea, is he a Nigerian?
Yes, he's in Nigeria.
Yeah, yeah. I'm from Kaduna.
If you are from Kaduna, okay, then I would advise you to, if you have 100,000 naira, from 100,000 naira and above, you put your money into the brokerage account.
All right.
But mind you, you are paying a subscription fee of if of $50 every month. So the first 3 months, I will advise you not to even touch the money you are investing with the brokers. Just allow it to grow. So if you are starting, you should keep your money, at least your subscription money, of up to 3 months. If you don't have it straight up, you can just start with the first month. You pay your subscription money, and then the next month you pay another one without withdrawing from your forex account, so that you allow the forex account to breathe. Then after 3 months, you can now start making your subscription from your account, because the account must have grown now. To pay subscription, now you withdraw from it. You can withdraw there and spend from your brokerage account. So if you have 100,000 naira and above, you can open an account with the brokerage. I hope we answered your question.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you.
All right. Okay, thank you very
You
much.
are welcome.
I think today has gone beyond introduction. We have really gone in deeper into so many aspects. But then, what I am going to do, probably in our next meeting, I am going to give us a hint of how this particular platform looks like. And also, as we proceed, I will also take us through the Binance exchange, to show us some certain things on the Binance platform, on how to trade on the Binance, the P2P, what are the technicalities, and how can you utilize those opportunities. And so all of these things I am doing it for free, but during my own time, I paid to learn how to do all of these things. And so I wonder people who are really not taking opportunity of this particular avenue created, they are wasting it. And so today is just we are laying the premise and also giving you a hint regarding what is actually coming. And so there is a lot to be discussed. We have not talked about gold. We have not talked about other things. Why? Because I'm sure Mr. Peculiar doesn't want to go much deeper because this is the introductory part. And so when the exchange comes open, we are going to also focus more on the crypto trading, especially on the IWC platform. And so this particular aspect actually is for most people who have been sending me messages. Oh, but how can we? I want to start making some money before our exchange open. I want to start trading on other platforms, at least to be learning and also getting ideas. And so I think, if I am not mistaken, the reason why I am taking my time to even bring other people is because I want to be able to get everyone informed first. And so you now have the opportunity to decide whether or not you want to embark on the forex trading and begin to make money before our trading begins, or you want to start trading gold, or you want to start trading crude oil, or you want to start taking stock exchange trading, or you want to trade cryptocurrencies on other exchanges. And so everything is here. So anything that has to do with trading generally is what you are going to learn. So that beyond IWC, you should be able to in future even swap some of your IWC coins to trade on gold. By the time our exchange open, you could also swap your coins to trade on other commodities or trade on other cryptocurrencies, apart from IWC. So it is important, and I'm encouraging us to pay more attention to all of these orientations that were given so that you can be able to absorb whatever it is that has been shared here in this forum. And so I want to thank you very much. Just briefly, let me give Mr. Abutu. I think he's also one of our IWC members from Yola. I actually met him. He's a very humble fellow and very accommodative. And so I take him as a family. I don't look at him as a subscriber because if you introduce someone into something that can benefit him, I love to cause people to progress. And I am so happy when I discover that you are progressing through me. It gives me joy. And so when I begin to see people becoming financially empowered, I feel very happy. So that alone gives me joy a lot. And so, Mr. Abutu, I think you have been on that signal group for up to 2 or 3 months or thereabout. Tell us your experience, very brief, and then before I wrap it up, before I can bring Mr. Peculiar, so we can wrap it up. At least when we go into the meeting, maybe 1 hour 25 or 30 minutes, we will be wrapping it up. Yes, over to you, Mr. Abutu. You can unmute your mic, sir, if you are with us in this meeting.
Thank you very much, Crypto Africa. I'm a blessed person. I'm happy to be part of the subscription platform, and I want to say that it's a place to be. It's been about 2 months plus now. I invested more than $100 initially, and I saw the potential and quickly doubled my investment. And as we speak, I can tell you it's a very profitable venture. And I also want to use medium to thank Mr. Peculiar, who is our mentor. We have been doing very hard work, bringing out signals upon signals. And as I can tell you that it's a very, very profitable venture and it's something worthwhile. I'm enjoying it. And I want to ask and request that every one of us here try it. It's something that you'll be glad that you did. Thank you very much, Crypto Africa, and God bless you for introducing this. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. That's just a brief summary. For security reasons, we will not allow people to say what is in their account so that you will not feel we are trying to create a hype to make you to join. But there is one thing I want us to note. In as much as you are part of this mission, you must be successful. It's a must. Anybody that is under my supervision, whether from IWC, those of you, you will see it when our exchange comes up trading. We are going to do a lot of different trainings with so many other people that will help our users to take advantage of a lot of instruments out there in the global financial market. And so, even though we are on the IWC platform, but there are vast opportunities out there for everyone to grab. And so today's meeting is actually very profitable. And also, I am very happy that most of us were able to ask questions. Some of us from Liberia, I'm not seeing Mr. Coley. I'm also not seeing Reverend Samson Chie and others. Maybe they forgot that we are having this meeting. uh, we will continue to have these meetings from time to time. And so on our next meeting, I am going to be sharing my screen so I can take us through the entire both crypto exchange and also the forex forex trading platforms so that we can all understand the difference. I'm going to take us through those processes, and also I'm going to share my screen live from my PC so I can explain to us in detail how all of these brokers work and also how our various exchanges works. And so I don't know if you have any other thing that you may likely want to say our mentor and also our facilitator, Mr. Peculiar, before we can wrap it up. And so before you come in, Mr. Mohammed Jason is saying, please share the link in our WhatsApp group forum. And so the link is not a general link. I think that link only goes per individual at a time. And so those who want to join the Signal group and you want to create your account, you let me know and then I will request for the link and get it sent across to you so that you can be able to sign up and then ensure that you carry me along so I can give you the guidelines step by step on how you can go about signing up in order to avoid making any mistake. And so, how many people are looking at signing up on the Alfari International? Perhaps it's either you communicate with me or you indicate by raising up your hand here so that as Mr. Peculiar is also in our
No,
midst.
no, no. They should not indicate here. No,
Okay,
they should,
all right. Okay, and
no, they should
so,
not indicate here. They should just talk to you personally.
okay, so you can send me a message and then I will get in touch with him to get the sign up link so that you can be able to sign up. Alfari actually is just to avoid spammers. It has been a broker that has existed for many years. Yes, you can find out about them online. There is no any information today that is hidden. And so we are going to talk about a lot of things about trading. This particular group chat is about trading, and don't start making money on forex and leave the IWC exchange. You are going to start also participating on active tradings on our exchange. I hope, Mr. Abutu, you are going to come back to the exchange by the time it opens, because most of you are getting used to the forex money I hope you are coming back to the exchange to trade as well.
Very well, very well. I'll come back immediately. No
All
problem.
right, all right. Thank you so much. All right. So, Mr.
Thank,
Peculiar, you can
thank
give us your parting comments as I'm trying to wrap it up this evening before we go.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm getting to meet some of you, and I think I will get to know you one on one gradually when we start. When we start together. Pastor Abutu, thank you so much, sir, for your commitment. Thank you for your
thank
humility.
you,
Thank you for being here. I didn't even know you
thank
were
you
part
very
of
much.
the meeting.
I've been here, sir. Thank you.
Um,
Thank
yes, it's good to have you here too. Yes, and Mr. Hosea, your face looks very familiar. You said you are from Kaduna. Me, I'm from Kaduna too. So if you are in Kaduna, that means it's easy. It's easy for us to
Yeah,
meet. How?
yeah, I live in Kafanchan.
Oh, you live in Kafanchan?
Yeah,
That that's good. That's good. I'm sure maybe we will meet. Me, I'm in Kaduna,
yeah, I know you.
so we are
Yeah.
going to meet. But
Mm.
okay, okay. Thank God for that. So gradually, nice meeting you guys. It's a very interesting meeting, and I really had a good time. So anytime you have any question, please feel free. You can talk to Crypto Africa. Crypto Africa, you can get me. You can contact me through him easily whenever you want to ask any question, and then I'm sure we're going to go together. Your account definitely is safe. Your investment is safe, and then you will learn patience. You learn patience. A lot of people, that's what they don't know. You ask Mr. Abutu, he's going to tell you more about that. You learn patience in doing business, and then you learn. A lot of people don't know how to manage failures. They only know how to manage success. In fact, some people don't even know how to manage success because it's a double-edged sword. There are some successes that will make you fail. But if you know how to manage success, you know how to manage failures, then you are a stable, successful person. And this is one of the things you are going to learn doing business with us. We're going to teach you all those things. We're going to carry you through all these processes. No rush in life. Life is one step at a time. And so today might be dull, then tomorrow will be lively. That's how it is. And when they say there is no ideal situation, they are just trying to tell you that life does not move on a straight line. It's like a graph. There are those of you who did chemistry in school, they taught you about ideal gas situation, ideal gas cases, and then they told you about the real gas cases. When you are plotting the graph, you see the graph for ideal cases straight, just going up. Then when you are coming to draw the graph for real life, you see it's undulating. It will come down, go up, come down, go up. But what we're interested in is where is it going? Is it going up or is it coming down? That's how business is. So when you see people doing stocks trading or forex trading or crypto trading or whatever form of trading it is, if you see the graph is not a straight line graph. It's just telling you that that's how life is. Some days it might be up, some days it might be down, some days it might be up, some days it might be down. If you can take advantage of the ups and downs, then you will make profit. And that is what all this is all about. So I'm sure gradually we're going to grow together. We're going to build a community of millionaires and successful trading. And
All right. Thank you so much, Mr.
thank God bless you.
Peculiar. He is a very, I call him a mentor of mentors. He is someone that has been trading for with experience of so many years. He has years of experience. If I'm not mistaken, he has been trading for the past over 10 years plus. And so he's somebody with huge experience when it comes to the field of trading generally. And so most of us we will get to discover a lot. I like to learn from people, and I also like people to impact in me a knowledge that has the ability to change my status from one direction to a better direction. And so this is the much we can take for tonight. I think in our next meeting, I am going to give us a highlight and perhaps share my screen to show us some basics. And so for those of you who are going to sign up, after you have may have received a link and you sign up, I am going to take you through up the process of how you can take orders how you can buy, how you can sell, how you can place your stop loss, how you can place your take profit, how you can use all of those tools and also indicators, how you can check a lot of things, how you can understand when to go out and also when to get into the market. And so, those of you who never had any experience on the one on one trading, I'll be taking us through that, the basics, so that you can understand. Eventually, by the time you are added into that signal group, you should be able to know where to take your orders and also how to exit, and also what currency pair. I'm going to tell us. Some of us don't know about currency pairs, so we are going to learn what are currency pairs, and so coupled with other aspects. And so that is that for today. We have gone already 1 hour 30 minutes and some seconds. I want to appreciate all of you who are here this evening and also took your time to carefully listen to the entire presentation. I'm sure you have learned a lot this evening, and so you're also going to learn more in the future. And so, thank you so much. We will do it again by next week. Let's stay tuned on the forum for any update and also informations. Thank you very much for being a part of this, and have a good night, everyone. Thank you so much.